Hey guys, welcome to the Fusion Beats Dance channel. So this week we're doing the tutorial to last week's dance cover, Padmaavat, but they didn't release it in the movie. Okay, so I absolutely love this song. I've seen so many beautiful choreographies to this, and I took the dance cover down at the Adelaide Botanic Gardens when I was pretty much just out with my husband and my daughter. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. And this is the tutorial because I know that some people are like, they want to extract some of the dance pieces from what I've done so that they can perform it at weddings, they can perform it at sangeets or events. Don't forget, we are sharing all your dance covers and your choreography out to the world as well. So use the hashtag Fusion Beats Dance and we'll pop it onto our Instagram account, which is also at Fusion Beats Dance. So I'll see you guys next week and have fun learning this track. So in this song, I start on the floor and then I'm dancing. I've got two sections to it. What I'm going to show you is, I guess, the floor bit, the first verse, and also check out the dance cover. So I do have the dance cover, remember, in the description, so do go to that one. That one has added bits of me running, it has added bits of me pointing and looking around. It's been shot at the beautiful Adelaide Botanic Gardens, so do check it out if you haven't. As I said, the link is the first thing that you'll see at the bottom. So now we have the floor work. So with the floor work, you need to sit on the floor with your right leg. The knee is going forward and the left one is back, okay? So when you're sitting and you're not doing much at the moment, your arms are down. You're then going to spiral your arm above your head and then bring it in, okay? Now bringing it in, you've got two fingers and the thumb together like a puppet, okay? So you're going over, in, then your hands flip, over the head, under the head, circle, and then cover. Okay, so we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hide yourself and look in here because you're going out in. Okay, that's like a 7, 8. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and look through your hands. Then your right hand is going around, shoulder, and then we have to get up. Okay? So let's do that again before we do get up. We've got over, in, arm, circle, cover, looking through. Arm, shoulder. Then to get up, you need to get up in this position, up high, step, so then you bring it up again, twirl around, and then using your left leg, bend it a bit, move it to the back, and point. Or if you want to, you can step around and then point. So that's completely up to you. But getting up, you want to get up in that same position and then move to that bit. So what I suggest you do is press stop, practice that over and over, and then go on to this next part, okay? The standing up part. That's pretty much the only groundwork. So from here, you're going to twist and then take it deeper in the bend. And once you've gone up, you've gone out and you've pointed. Then you got to step on that right, even though your weight's on the right, you're going 1 and 2 and in. Okay, that laughing bit that she just goes, okay, that's when you go in. Now that's super fast. It is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, brushing your shoulder, very girly. If you've got your skirt, you pick up your skirt there. Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and turn, hit. Then we're traveling across to the right and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So up, down, turn around. While your hands are here, you're going out with the hands and then bringing them into this position. Now your leg follows it and sit down. The finger position, I'll get closer to the camera. You've got 2 fingers onto the thumb, and then your little finger and your ring finger stick out. So that's the position we're doing. We're going out, then in, okay? So with that bit, we're going out, sit, out, sit. We're only doing 1. I just did that twice then. So we're going 1 and 2, and then out and in. From there to the right corner, you're going out, in, okay? And then walk, walk. Okay. Everything is smoothed out though. I haven't done it yet, but everything is very smooth. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and while you're here in the corner, you're going to jump and give it a hug. Okay? So that movement is a hug. You can lean forward if you like as well. So with that, it's walk, walk, while you've got your left leg there. Bring the right one in. So in, behind, turn out. Holding your hand. Okay, so let's do this. So we've got 1 and 2, out and in, walk, walk. From there, hug, and now your wrist roll to then go up, okay? So over, up, then bounce backwards on that left leg. So 2 bounces, and then spin, spin, up, and down, okay? And that's the first section. Let's do that again because it's a little bit hard. I do recommend listen to it with the music. This track won't have the music, so you have to go to the dance cover. The link is below, okay? So you've got beginning. 1 and 2 and turn, and it goes in. From there, jump across, spin around, bring the arm out and in. Sit. Out, in, walk, walk, hug and up. Then you've got 2 bounces. 1, 2, turn, turn, up and out. Okay? So from the floor bit, you come up, you then do that section. I highly recommend getting the song and breaking it up with that. Also see the dance cover. It's one of those songs that's just not an easy 1 to 8 count. You've got different elements to it as well. Some bits slow down, some bits are quick. So do have a look and go through it. I don't put the music on here. As most of you guys know, there are a lot of copyright issues, and I'm teaching my own choreography to you guys, okay? So using both the dance cover and this one, it will help you. Now, after that, there's a little bit of a break, okay? Now, in that little bit, I've got turns. So with our turns, we're using those hands, those fan, and then we're using those, well, as I call say it to my daughter, it's like bunny ears or puppets, okay? Because it's easy for her to understand. So what we're doing is, from that last bit, we're then having our elbow out, our right hand to the corner is 1, 2, out, in, left, in, turn, in. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, step across and out. And you can go like this, you can go like this, you could go like this, you could pull it out. Alright, so your hands can do different things, but it's quick. So it's 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, and then step and out. Okay, so have a go do that. Now, if you want the second verse, it's going to be now. If you want to stop the verse, if you want to stop it after the first one, that's where you would cut it. After those turns, then press stop. But if you wanted to add the second part, stay tuned now. Okay, so the first section of part 2. We start here. Hands are together. We're going 1, 2, over and out. Okay? Now it goes with the music, so this bit actually is long. Alright, and everything is heading towards the left. So you've got quick, quick, over. Okay? So it's a little jump, over, and out. Okay? So let's do it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now from there, it's got like 2 little clicking parts. So all you're doing there is step, tap, step, tap. And then it goes on to the next bit. Okay? So bring the right arm back, left arm back. From there, you are going to jump facing the corner. And it's that position. Okay? So it's that position but higher. So it's step left, up, turn, and then step on the right, and as you do, your hands go over. Okay? Over, back. Alright, so let's do that jump. So you've got corner, turn, over, and. Now the turn is the slowest part of that because it goes with the music. After the click, click, it's 1, 2, step, turn. So you're still waiting there. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're heading to the left. Step, turn, okay? And then step up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, right hand behind. So let's do that bit again from the beginning of the sway. So it's 1, 2, over and out. Then it's behind, tap, behind, tap. Step up, turn, over, out, out, in. From there, the last 2 bits, you're going out, in, step, turn, and up again. Alright, so that last bit, boom, boom, out, in. Actually, it's to the left. I did it to the right, but it's to the left, because you need your right leg. Okay? You'll remember how in the first part we went out, and then we sat. Okay? In this part, we're here. From there, we're bringing our right leg over. So our right leg comes over, in, head over, over, circle, cover. All right, so the beginning part, but without sitting on the floor. So let's do it again. So we're out, turn, step, here. From here, we bring it around, in, head, head, circle, in, and then you're going to take a deep breath, let it down, and bring it up. Okay? So it's like a out, in, up, turn. Alright? That bit's a little bit complicated, so if you don't want to do the second verse, just concentrate on the first verse, and then stop it at the end of those turns. But for you guys that want to, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, out, out, out. Then it's step, click, out, turn, over, out, in, step, hip, forward, turn, out, tap. So next bit, bring the leg around, in, head, head, circle, out, in, up, around. Then you're taking 2 steps back. So you're going back, tap, step, turn, over, followed by 3 quick turns that we did before. So the 1, 2, 3, step, out. Alright, now that second part you do need to press play, do need to go through it with the music. So count-wise, It's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, breathe in, out. Then when you turn, you've then got the next bit of step back, step, turn, out. Then from there, you can go left or you can go right, you can go in different directions, but you've got to do 1, 2, 3, step, hit. Before you do the chorus again. Step, step, over, hit, over, turn, circle, out, walk, walk, hug, and out, turn, turn, spin, 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 up, out. Okay? So have a go. It's chorus, first verse, second verse, and then back to chorus. Okay? Have a go. Let me know how you go with this one. It is quite difficult because the beat is not the same throughout the whole thing. So it's like quick, quick, slow, wake, up, down. Not an easy 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Have fun. I'll see you guys next week with another dance cover.